AdaptaLogix is the only NetSuite partner established exclusively for biotech and pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaceutical companies once had three options for managing business processes: an expensive Tier 1 solution, a one-size-fits-all patch that fell short in critical areas, or a solution of their own, built from disjointed applications that isolated essential data. As ex-pharma industry staff, AdaptaLogix founders needed to be the change. Instead of suffering a narrow marketplace, they developed the much-needed solution. Many years later, AdaptaLogix is the single largest NetSuite partner, bridging data gaps between financials, outsourced supply chains, GMP manufacturing, and 3PLs. Pre-revenue pharmaceutical companies now have templatized solutions for commercialization and beyond. After dozens of recurrent implementations for each solution, AdaptaLogix has templatized modules for pharma and biotech of every size and phase. Schedule a demo to learn more.